Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Constant Contact for email marketing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Constant Contact website. Click on the sign up button to create your account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, click on login to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you will be greeted with a welcome screen. Click on Create Campaign to start a new email marketing project. Select email from the options presented. Choose a template that suits your branding needs. You can pick a pre-designed template or start from scratch. Once selected, click on Start Editing to customize your email. Use the drag and drop editor to add images, text, and buttons. Edit the text by clicking directly on the text box. You can change fonts, sizes, colors, and alignment in the toolbar. To add images, click the image block and upload or select images from your library. Use the button option to insert call to action buttons easily. Next, preview your email by clicking on the preview button. This will show you how your email will look on desktop and mobile devices. After finalizing your design, click on Continue to move on. Now it's time to add your recipients. Select an existing list or create a new contact list for your campaign. You can import contacts from other services or upload a CSV file. Make sure to comply with email marketing regulations when collecting emails. Continue by clicking on Next to set up email details. Enter a subject line that grabs attention. You can also personalize your subject line for better engagement. Choose the sender's name and email address that will appear to recipients. Once you're satisfied with all settings, click on Schedule or Send Now. If scheduling, pick a date and time for your email to go out. Review everything one last time before confirming. Click on Schedule to finalize your email marketing campaign. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.